what's up? I'm gonna show you how to play Rain on Me on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. So for this song, you're gonna want your capo on the 4th fret. And it's gonna be in standard tuning. Chords you'll need: A minor, open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. E minor, open, 2, 2, open, open, open. F, open, open, 3, 2, 1, open. And G, 3, 2, open, 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 3. A to F, and then to G eventually. So. The majority of the song, you're just going to go from A minor, E minor to F, F, E minor, A. And it switches between those pretty fast, but it's like slower. It's the strumming pattern is going to be down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. And when you play it up to speed, you'll probably have some little in there. So it's just kind of a feel thing, but you probably just do this the whole time and then just switch between the chords. Or you could just do downs the whole time. Really, whatever's easier. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, just replay the video. You'll get it.